So far we had written set of driver commands directly in the main test. That is during learning time you need to do. So I told you how to write a method. So just you can copy this method name and give the ending curling bracket and keep the open Chrome browser lines of code you have moved in here, open orange HRM, login method. And if you are keeping like this, some blocks like that, and you can call all those method names here so that it's easier. Okay, why we need to write the methods? It's easy to understand. It's easy to understand what is the main test objective. Okay, so it's easy to understand what is the technical flow, what is the functional flow is happening in that test case. Okay, so by going through this method names, I can understand. Okay, he's doing add jobs. So the objective of the test case I can easily understand. Okay, so that's the reason we will write set of driver commands into appropriate methods. So now let me do the same thing the yesterday program also. Okay, now you can tell me. First, let me copy the highlight of web element border. So I'm copying this method because I no need to remember this method, even you guys also. So after this method name, I'm pasting that highlighting of web element border. Okay, now let me write. So writing of set of driver commands in the main test is not recommended approach. So we need to write the methods. Okay, tell me how to write the method name. So can I copy this one? Control C. So what is the method name I need to give? Open Chrome browser. One second. Before that, if I will write driver dot find element, what will happen? Web element border cannot be highlighted. Okay, let me change it to find element. So keep the mouse over. It is showing add throws declaration. Click on throws declaration. Automatically here throws exception got added. I have to explain this one. I will explain later. Okay. Now open Chrome browser. Okay. Next one, open Orange HRM. Open Orange HRM. Next one, login. Okay. And what is this functionality? Add nationality, right? So I will do add nationality. That's it only, right? These are the methods we can write. So now what I need to do, just tell me guys what I need to do. Open Chrome browser. So these first 4 lines are related to open Chrome browser. Control X. And I'm pasting Control V. And after that, this one open Orange HRM, Control X. And open Orange HRM, Control V. And login. So Control X. And within this calling brackets login method. So keep the mouse over here, add throws declaration, throws exception got added automatically. And after that, these lines of code related to add nationality. So let me keep add nationality here. So here it is asking add throws declaration, throws exception got added. So now I have moved all my lines of code into appropriate method. Now, is there any code in my nationality? Nothing is there. If I will execute this program, anything can be executed? Nothing will be executed because there is no lines of code. So now what I need to do for this class? If I want to execute those methods, what I need to do? I have to create object for the current class. So what is the current class name? This one. And object name I can give whatever I want. By using new keyword, I'm creating an object like this. And after that, I want to call the methods object dot method name. So T1 dot. So what is the method name? Open Chrome browser. So open Chrome browser, open Orange HRM. login. Last one is admin. That is the point. So these are the set of driver so these are the methods will be executed when I will execute the main test. Okay, so corresponding lines of code will be executed from every method. So now let me run this program, and what is the nationality record? It will create Indian 145. Okay, let me create a new record name as Indian 147. Okay, I'm saving my program. Let's run this program. So web element border will be highlighted in red color. Just observe that because I had written find element. Okay. After clicking on save, before clicking on save, I want to stop execution because I want to check details had been entered correctly or not. Thread.sleep 5000. Okay, done, save. So let me run this code. So after 5 milliseconds, it will click on save. Clicked on save. So Indian 147 record had been created successfully. See, Indian 147 record had been created. If I want to execute Indian 148, just I need to change my input value. Again, if I will run it, it will create one more. Got the point? Okay, now let's close this program also. And TC01 login.java. So same thing we need to do. Open Chrome browser, open Orange HRM, login method. And finally, here all this one we need to write skills, right? Add skills method, public void add skills method. Call all the methods by creating the object for this class name and call the methods. So like that, the program will be executed. So why we are writing methods in the test in the class? Why we are writing the methods? We need to understand what is happening, what is the main objective of the test. It's easy to understand for review for some of the other people also. If I will write 500 lines of code, nobody can understand what happens. Okay, so better to segregate those lines of code into appropriate methods. Okay. Okay, guys. So far we understood how to create a package, how to create a class, and how to create the methods. Okay. So today is okay. 1 second, guys.